Did you know Lululemon are going to pay you up to $8,000 to work from home? And the best part about it is that you don't need to show your face. It's completely free to join and anyone can do this. Let me show you how. First, you're going to go over to Google and search Lululemon affiliate program and click on the very first link. And then you're going to scroll down and just click on apply now. And as you can see, Lululemon are going to pay you to promote their products on social media. And once you're all signed up, you're going to want to go over and find some products that you like. And I think I'm going to polish up pretty good in this ensemble here. And then you're going to head over to Pinterest and create a pin. And in that pin, you're going to want to include a picture, a title, and a description. And down here, don't forget to put your special affiliate link because that's how you're going to get paid. And remember, when somebody clicks that link, goes through and buys that product, Lululemon are going to pay you a commission. And this is called affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn how ordinary people like you and I are making 5 figures per month with this, then click the link in my bio or comment ready down below and I'll reach out and send you a free step-by-step guide.